Bhagavad Gita, how to learn. If so, basically, no. When we are talking about learning, first of all, we should be aware what should be the subject matter of learning. Okay, but what we are going to discuss that can be helpful for anything. It's not only about a spiritual topic, but any topic it will be helpful. But basically, as per Bhagavad Gita, who is the knowledgeable person? So it is the one who is MSc is a knowledgeable person, means one who knows about MSc. MSc means matter, spirit, and controller of both, who is God. So that person is known as knowledgeable person. Okay. So if you go through Bhagavad Gita, it is widely talk about 5 subject matter that all of you might be aware: Iswara, Prakriti, Jiva, Kala and Karma and all. Okay, but what subject matter we are going to learn is today about art of learning, how we can learn anything. Okay, it's very simple, कुछ हार्ड नहीं है. ठीक है, हमारा एटीट्यूड अच्छा होना चाहिए. सो हमारे फाउंडर आचार्य शिला प्रभुपाद बताते थे, नेक्टर ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन करके बहुत ही अच्छा किताब आप पढ़िएगा. वो कोई भी फील्ड में काम आता है, ऐसा नहीं कि वही फील्ड में. तो वहाँ पर बता रहे हैं एडवांसमेंट इन कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस depends on the attitude of the practitioner. So in any field, if you want to advance, that depends on your attitude. I remember when I came to IIT. Before that, I was lecturer in college. So I was giving a good grades to those students who have good attitude. Whether they know or don't know, it doesn't matter for me. But if they have good attitude, I'll give them good mark. Out of 50, I used to give 45, 48, 49, 50. So that's what I used to do. But I need good attitude of the practitioner or student or whatever. Because if he has good attitude, they will select him. So that's the thing. So recently, one of the student who is from IIT Bombay and he is practicing Krishna consciousness. So he have been selected in very good post. So the reason behind that he was selected, that his attitude was very good. He didn't know anything, but his attitude was very good. So if you really want to learn something, or if you want to acquire knowledge somewhere, in any field, if you want to advance, we need certain kind of quality. And there are some very basic quality. We are going to discuss. आपको सुनने के बाद लगेगा यही जानना था क्या, ऐसा ही लगेगा आपको. ठीक है. So that's the thing, Krishna talks about Bhagavad Gita, but we miss those very simple element, and that create a big problem in our life. That's why we cannot advance in our life. That's the point. Okay, so we'll start with Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 1st verse. So hope all of you might be knowing till 8th chapter. If you don't know, don't worry. Okay. So Krishna says in this verse, Sri Bhagwan Uvacha idam tu te guhyatamam pravakshame anusuyave jnanam vijnanam sahitam yad gyatva moksha se asubhat. So here pravakshame anusuyave, and he says idam tu te guhyatamam. So when you go through Bhagavad Gita, so chapter 9 is essence of Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all the Vedic literatures. Now first of all we go through this. Let's understand why we should accept Bhagavad Gita, or why we should accept Vedas. That's very, very important, right? So I'll summarize in 4 or 5 lines only. So many things mentioned in the Veda or Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is conclusion of the Veda. So many things mentioned in the Vedas. ये इतना याद रख लो, ठीक है. किसी के भी साथ आप बात कर सकते हैं. So many things mentioned in the Vedas are proven by the science. Many things mentioned in the Vedas are not proven by the science. Okay, but the things which are not proven by the science are not disproven by the science. So if you can't accept blindly, don't reject blindly. इतना पता लग गया अभी सबको, ठीक है. So but even in the general field of science, we take many assumptions, many axioms. We just we assume and we move ahead. Whole number system 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. होल नंबर सिस्टम इज एजम्पशंस, उसके ऊपर पूरा गाड़ी चल रहा है आजकल, राइट? पूरा क्रिकेट में नंबर, किसने कितना रन बनाया, अभी कौन सा सीरीज चल रहा है पता नहीं है मुझे, ठीक है, बट पूरा उस पर ही चलता है नंबर सिस्टम, राइट? होल नंबर सिस्टम. तो दैट्स व्हाट. So many things mentioned in the Vedas are proven by the science, many things are not proven by the science, but the things which are not proven are not disproven by the science. So if you can't accept blindly, don't reject blindly. Now another point, so should I accept the blindly? No, we are not saying you accept blindly. We are not saying that. But in the science also we are accepting many things without proof. अभी तक तो पढ़ के आया, कभी पूछा नहीं अरे इलेक्ट्रॉन दिखाओ, प्रोटॉन दिखाओ, कहाँ पर है, कभी पूछा क्या किसी ने? मैंने तो आज तक पूछा नहीं, आईआईटी बॉम्बे में भी नहीं पूछा. पूरा वीएलएसआई डिजाइन किया, पूरा चिप बना दिया, लेकिन अभी तक इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं देखा है. ठीक है, पूरा बन गया, अभी तक इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं देखा हमने. सो बेसिकली दैट्स थिंग, यू नो, दैट्स हाउ. सो द पॉइंट इज that we need some certain amount, certain quality. If we want to learn any subject matter, we should have certain qualities, and without those qualities we cannot learn, we cannot acquire knowledge. And if we acquire knowledge, if we have real knowledge, and then same quality we exhibit in magnificent way, bigger way. So foremost quality, so now I was talking about why we should believe in Bhagavad Gita. That's very, very important. Recently, sometimes before, I was talking, you know, very big marketing guys, digital marketing guy. I don't want to give the name. So he was mentioning that, you know, Bhagavad Gita can be useful in any field. And some time ago, we are sitting with very big businessmen. I don't want to give the name here, but all the businessmen believe in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, all businessmen believe in Bhagavad Gita, and they try to apply, although no, not all the things, but they try to apply. But when we go to colleges and they raise question, why should I believe in Bhagavad Gita? But under whom they are working, they all believe in Bhagavad Gita. So that's another mystery. Okay, so that's the point. So Bhagavad Gita is essence of all Vedic knowledge. So why we should accept? So that's the point. So many things talks in Bhagavad Gita, like, you know, Bhagavad Gita talks about anartha, kam, krodh, lobh, moh, mad and matsarya. Anartha means unwanted things which is troubling the people. Because of that, people are suffering in the world. So if you see any company, any institute, any organization, if you see their vision, mission and motto statement, if I generalize in few lines or one or two lines, whatever you say, so by technological, economical, or whatever development, we want to provide peace, prosperity and harmony to the society. Okay? So now even Bhagavad Gita also tells, if you free from this anartha, you will be peaceful. Bhagavad Gita also talks about same thing. You don't have to do so much hard work. You don't have to do, you know, just like basically I remember when I was in IIT, so some energy science student were with me. So in full sunlight they sleep, and in full tube light they discuss about energy saving. So that was the concept. Okay, so whole reverse cycle. So the things are very, very simple. It's very difficult to accept. I can give another example from the Mahabharata, that although the solution can be simple but very difficult to accept. You know anyone? That Ashwatthama. So once upon a time, you know, when Dronacharya was killed, okay, then Ashwatthama, you know, became very angry, and he came in front of all. He came to know that his father have been cheated or whatever, and, you know, just by saying that elephant was the Ashwatthama, but instead of elephant, Dronacharya understood that his son has been killed. So he became angry and he released the Narayanastra. So there is no solution for Narayanastra, but Narayana was standing in front of Narayanastra, Lord Krishna. So Pandavas approached, oh Narayan, tell us what is the solution of Narayanastra, you tell us. So they says, okay, thoda simply surrender. Saranagat ho jao. Then, you know, everyone say, you know, they obey Krishna, but Bhimsen, you know, तुम लोग कायर हो, डरपोक हो, ऐसे हो, वैसे हो, वैसे हो, आपको सरेंडर करना है तो करो, लेकिन मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं जाऊँगा, युद्ध करूँगा. तो सारे भाइयों ने आत्मसमर्पण कर दिया. भीमा किला लेके, गदा लेके खड़ा है. तो अभी सारा नारायण अस्त्र का प्रकोप भीमसेन के ऊपर पड़ा. ओके। तो अभी भीमसेन के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर आया नारायण अस्त्र का कि वो मरने वाला था तो भगवान कृष्ण जल्दी से खड़े हुए, उसको गर्दन में पकड़ के सुला दिया और नारायण अस्त्र चला गया। सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट इट्स वेरी सिंपल, द सॉल्यूशन कैन बी वेरी वेरी सिंपल बट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सेप्ट. We are hesitant to accept. So this Shastra talks about, gives us solution to many problems. Even Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 4.16 that kim karma kima karmeti kavayopyatra mohita tatate karma pravakshami yadgyatva mokshasya asubha. What should be done, what should not be done. Kavayo apyatra mohita. Kavayo means the learned person also get bewildered. Atra mohita. Then he says tatate karma pravakshami. I will tell you. I'll give you the knowledge by knowing which if you act that way then moksha se ashubhat, you will be free from the misery. That's what he says. So that's the reason the Bhagavad Gita gives the solution to many problems of our life. If we even accept one portion, one symbol, आधा श्लोक भी implement करेंगे अपनी लाइफ में, then that gives the relief. No, you read Gita Mahatmya and all. Now it's up to you whether you want to accept or not. We have realized, we have a very good farm in Talasari, Nilachal Vedic village. Sometimes we go and give so many things, free of cost, people doubt on us. अरे फ्री में दे रहा है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, ठीक है ना? So that's the problem with people in general and with us. So that's the issue. So many things, many simple solution is given in Bhagavad Gita, but it depends on our attitude, how we accept them. And even whether you believe or not believe, Bhagavad Gita will work. So one of my friend, he started reading Bhagavad Gita, and his goal was to learn English. And why he started learning Bhagavad Gita? Started learning English from Bhagavad Gita. What was the reason? That he said, if I read newspaper, इसने उसका रेप किया, उसने ये किया, उसके साथ अफेयर ये है, आज पॉलिटिक्स में ये हुआ, वो हुआ. It's not like Italian newspaper, they print positive news, but all negative news. Then this guy become frustrated. बोला अरे और पढ़ूंगा तो पागल हो जाऊंगा. उनके दोस्तों ने उसको सजेशन किया था, न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो, न्यूज़ देखो. तो वो बोला अरे मैं तो पागल हो जाऊंगा इतना सारा देख के, ऐसे भी मैं आधा फ्रस्ट्रेट हो चुका हूँ, ये सब नेगेटिव न्यूज़ देखकर वो ही देखते आए हैं, और क्या करें. So then he started learning Bhagavad Gita. So within a daily, every day he was writing the word. If you go through Bhagavad Gita as it is. So disciple, तो पहले पता नहीं था disciple मतलब क्या है. So he was from some Gujarati medium and all. तो बोलते हैं disciple means student, विद्यार्थी. पायस मतलब धार्मिक. तो हर रोज ऐसे वर्ड पढ़ता था, ऐसे वर्ड 15 वर्ड लिखेगा और 15 हर रोज रिसाइट करेगा और हर रोज 5 श्लोक पढ़ेगा. इस तरह से उसने पढ़ा. 7 महीने में भगवद गीता खत्म की. और उसके बाद उसने मुझे बोला उसके अंदर 5 चेंज आए. पहला चेंज, he got, his intelligence was very sharpened. He could take decision making power increased. Most of the problem with the people, they go in depression because they cannot take decision. That's the biggest problem. Okay, so intelligence was sharpened, his memory power was increased. That's what he realized. बोला भगवद गीता में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, बट इतना चेंज जरूर आया. ठीक है, भगवद गीता में कुछ नहीं समझ में आया क्या है, बट इतना चेंज हो गया कि then he says I become fearless. So that was the third thing. And fourth, he says he was very introvert, he was very shy talking to people, but he became extrovert. Okay, then fifth was that what I said, first was I said he became fearless. His intelligence was sharpened, memory power was increased, he became fearless. Decision making power was increased. And इंग्लिश तो सीख ही गया. और एक और चीज था, extrovert I said. So 5 things change he immediately felt. The point here is that Bhagavad Gita is like a medicine. Medicine. So कितने लोगों को बचपन में माँ बोलती है अरे तो मीठा शरबत है पी लो, दवाई में शुगर डाल के पिला देती थी, नाक बंद कर देगी. राइट, तो पी लेते थे, अच्छे हो जाते थे ना. So that's the thing. So sometimes devotees are merciful. उसको पीना नहीं है, but उसको झूठ बोल के भी पिला देंगे, काम हो जाएगा. So that's the point. So that is the power of Bhagavad Gita. If you knowingly or unknowingly, willingly or unwillingly, if you accept it, it will cure our problem. So that's the point. So now so that's the reason, okay, we should accept the Vedas and Bhagavad Gita. It gives so many changes within your life. You can just try it out. थोड़ा पढ़ो, अरे हर रोज 15 मिनट तो पढ़ना है. गपशप लगाते रहते हैं, व्हाट्सएप के साथ गपशप भी ज़्यादातर करते हैं, पढ़ लो 15 मिनट. मुझे याद है जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो आधा घंटा सुबह चाय के लिए, दोपहर को, शाम को, रात को 4 घंटा चाय के लिए जाते थे. कॉलेज में थे तब 2 घंटे ऐसे बिगाड़ते थे. अभी 2 घंटा जब करने का समय उससे मिल गया. ठीक है, 8 घंटा टेस्ट मैच देखता था, वनडे देखता था. तो ये सारा समय हम बहुत सारी चीजें जस्ट उसमें से 15 मिनट निकालना है, भगवद गीता पढ़नी है. ठीक है. सो नाउ, सो दैट्स द रीजन भगवद गीता गिव्स द सॉल्यूशन टू मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. सो दैट मार्केटिंग गाय वाज टेलिंग, व्हाई कांट वी टीच मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम भगवद गीता. मैंने बोला पॉइंट तो सही है. सो दे टॉक्स अबाउट उत्साह, निश्चय, धैर्य. That's very very important in any field of knowledge, and any field you are working. Utsaha is very very important. Enthusiasm, Nishchaya, determination or faith is very very important. So now when you have taken admission in, let's say, computer science in IIT Bombay, so you have a faith, अरे भाई उसका कुछ तो वैल्यू है और उसके लिए ज़्यादा कॉम्पिटिशन है. सो यू हैव फेथ, ग्रेट फेथ. अभी कोई बोलेगा मत लो, लेकिन 100 लोग बोल रहे तो लेना ही चाहिए. मतलब there is something, right? That is the highest, toppest branch in IIT Bombay. So then, dharya, patience is very important. So very simple solution: men and women get unite. Next day they cannot expect baby. At least they should take 7 to 9 months, right? There is no what should I say, instrument or technology, which can give you one day baby production. They cannot give you. Take some time. So dharya is very very important, and Bhagavad Gita teaches us. So there was one marshmallow experiment on the student. Okay, so the marshmallow experiment, they says that took the children, 2 to 3 year old children, जिनको एटलीस्ट पता लगता है, जो बोले वो समझ पाए क्या बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, और मैं भी 4 साल के तक के बालकों को लिया. और they were marshmallow means not the mobile, chocolate. Okay, so they were giving the chocolate. बोला if you take this marshmallow, if you wait for 20 minutes, I'll give you another marshmallow. Okay, but if you immediately eat, you will not get another marshmallow, but you have to wait. Terms and condition, you have to wait for 20 minutes. तो कुछ बच्चे लोगों ने क्या किया, एक बच्चा तो सुना उससे पहले ही मार्शमेलो खा गया. ठीक है, इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला उससे पहले ही. ओके, दूसरा बच्चा मार्शमेलो लिया, मुंह में लिया, पूरा रस चूस के वापस रख दिया. ठीक है. फिर तीसरा बच्चा था, मार्शमेलो का कॉर्नर का थोड़ा जैसे होता है ना, टेम्पटेशन, ही कांट रेजिस्ट द टेम्पटेशन, थोड़ा थोड़ा तोड़ के खा लिया. अभी ऐसे परम्यूटेशन कम्बिनेशन बना लो, बहुत सारे हुए कर सकते हैं. आप लोगों को रखेंगे तो पता लग जाएगा. ठीक है. तो and after 20 minutes, those who resisted the temptation, they were given another marshmallow, and they studied after 25 years. They note down who all are the people, and background there was study going on, and they figure out, oh, this kind of people. After 25 years, 30 years, 40 years, they started doing study. They kept observing them. So then they figure out that those who resisted the temptation, they were very very stable in their life, in their relationship, in their job, and they were good leader for people in general. They were very good in their behavior. But those who सुनने से पहले ही खा लिए, सुनते सुनते खा लिए, they have relationship issues. You can find on the Google this thing. Relationship issues. They were not stable in their job. They have so many problems, with themselves only, with their mind. सबसे पहले तो उनके माइंड के साथ ही उनका प्रॉब्लम था. सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन माइंड. That's what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. उद्धरेत आत्मानम न आत्मानम वसादेत. आत्मे ही आत्मनो बंधुर, आत्मे में रिपुर आत्मना. रिपुर आत्मना मीन्स दुश्मन. माइंड हमारा शत्रु भी है और मित्र भी है. It's like a knife in the hand of doctor, in the hand of thief. So its choice is yours whom to give, right? So that's the power of Bhagavad Gita. So now Krishna give very simple thing. So as I mentioned, what is the knowledge? Knowledge means the one who knows the matter, spirit and controller of both, means God. So that's the knowledge. So basically if we acquire about those things, then the person is called real knowledgeable person. If we inquire about those things. So in this verse, Krishna says, Prakshyami Anusuyave. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me. This is very, very important. We should be non-envious. If you are envious, you will never be able to learn anything. Suppose it is said, suppose in front of you there is a snake and there is an envious person. तो सबसे पहले envious person को मारो, सांप को बाद में मारो. क्योंकि सांप आपको तभी काटेगा जब आप उसको नुकसान करोगे. लेकिन envious person, enviousness is such a thing that even you don't harm that person, but they will come and bite you. Means I'm not saying go and beat, but point at least you have to keep respectful distance, So अभी जाके मारना बोलना मत, हमने मारने के लिए बोला था, ऐसा मत बोले. So that's the point. So we must be non-envious. So there are certain qualities we must have to learn or to advance in any field of knowledge. So if we really, suppose some of you are computer science student, some of you are mechanical science student, some of you are actor, I don't know who are here, but some of you are doctor, whatever. Or so if they want to acquire, so it is said only great fighter can appreciate another fighter, another great fighter, otherwise can not. So there was very old story about, it's a fight about some Alexander and there was one king. So both has appreciated each other's greatness. तो दोनों का युद्ध हुआ तो कोई जीता ही नहीं. So both have compensated each other. But Alexander, later on he was very, very impressed. That's as per the version of Greece, Macedonian version of history. So he was telling that he was impressed by that king so much. सारे राजाओं ने उसको आत्मसमर्पण कर दिया और उसका साथ मिला लिया. But जो राजा ने युद्ध किया, that Alexander was so impressed with him that he said, practically I won the battle, but with attitude you won the battle. So then Alexander left. He didn't enter in India after that. So that attitude that defines, but those persons were not envious. At least that king was not envious. Although the Alexander was making so many tricks to defeat that guy, but because of his attitude was very pure to protect and serve the country, okay, and keep the culture. That was his attitude. That's why by seeing that he was impressed. So even our behavior should be such a way that even the enemy come at our home, he should feel that he forget the animosity. So Krishna has told here, he said, because you are never envious of me, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge. Krishna talks about 3 levels of knowledge in Bhagavad Gita. Guhya, Guhyatara and Guhyatamam. Guhya means confidential, Guhyatara means more confidential, and Guhyatama means most confidential. It talks about that. So he says, because you are non-envious, I am telling you, I am imparting you, I am revealing most confidential knowledge and realization, and knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence. You will be free. Material existence means very simple thing. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Jara means disease. Disease will come of anxiety. The root cause of disease is this thing, anxiety, mind. Right? So I remember a few days ago, suddenly some attack happened on my parents. So a few days ago, they were what should I say, covered by so many people. They throw so many big boulders on the car. Somehow they were saved, and At that time, I was so stressed, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था अभी करे क्या. So first of all, I went to Krishna. From here I can approach to Lord only. I recited Narasimha prayer. मैंने बोला अभी नेक्स्ट को एक काम और कर लेते हैं, पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म कर देते हैं. तो पुलिस को कॉल किया. So on that day I felt so stressed. Next day मुझे कोल्ड हो गया. So because of stress. So that's the root cause of the problem is mind. So that's what Krishna says. By knowing this most confidential knowledge, you will be relieved of the miseries of material existence. So what is the material existence? जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि, आदि आत्मिक, आदि भौतिक, आदि दैविक problem. Adi Atmic means problems due to our own mind and body. Adi Devik means problems, Adi Bhautik means problems due to other living entity. Adi Devik means problems due to natural calamities. And no one wants misery, no one wants to become older, right? इसीलिए हर टाइम वो तो सब आपको पता है, ठीक है? फिर no one wants to be sick, no one wants to die. I think some of you they realize they will say yes. Okay, so that's another point. So if you know these things, so the foremost qualities, we should be non-envious. If you want to learn in any field, if someone is expert, we should not envious of him. We should be non-envious. That's the foremost quality. That's why, even if I feel someone is envious of me, I would hesitate to tell him. But envious व्यक्ति क्या करेगा? What will he do? Will get the knowledge and throw you out. That's what they do. And those vibration you can get easily. You can easily get those vibration, and you feel. So you will not reveal those knowledge. Simple चीज है. अरे आपकी मम्मी पापा आपको सारी चीज कब बताएंगे? जब तभी ना लगता है बच्चा सही है, सुधर ही है सब लोग. बट कहने का मतलब है ये कहीं आलतू फालतू में पैसा नहीं डालेगा, अपना सीक्रेट कभी बताएंगे, किसी को नहीं बताएंगे. आप लोग एक दूसरे को सीक्रेट कब बताते हैं? जब आपको विश्वास है, he will not harm you, he will not use that information. But as soon as you use those information for own selfish purpose, you will not reveal next time. So that's one of the most secret, that we should be non-envious people. Most of the problem we get envious. I remember when I was in college, हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले लोग आते थे. प्रभु जी, उस वक्त प्रभु जी नहीं बोलते थे, मयंक बोलते थे. तो अरे क्या पढ़ रहे हो यार, पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमने तो पढ़ लिया पूरा, है ना. फिर लेकिन अभी मैकेनिकल में जाके बोलेंगे अरे पढ़ो पढ़ना चाहिए, अच्छे से पढ़ो. और अपने साथ वालों को बोलेंगे पढ़ने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, चलो ना कॉफी के लिए चलते हैं, चाय के लिए चलते हैं. That's out of insecurity. Insecurity is the biggest problem for everyone. Insecurity, मेरा क्या होगा? I think that was the whole Darwin concept. Survival of क्या है? Survival of fittest. Struggle for existence. That's the problem. That is the insecurity problem. Right? So we should try to come out of that zone, and that arises because of enviousness. So we must be non-envious. Okay? Then Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Sahevayam maya te adya yogo prokta puratana bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam hi etat uttama. He says this is again same thing. That very ancient science of relationship with the Supreme is today told by me to you. The secret knowledge is telling. Okay? Rahasyam is telling rahasya. That last line of the Sanskrit, you can rahasyam hi etad uttamam. So told by me to you because you are my devotee as well as my friend, and can therefore understand the transcendental mystery of this science. So we also have that quality of devotion. Means what? Bhakti means what? Bhakti means what? Service. What other meaning? प्रेम, love भी आता है. देश प्रेम, देश भक्त मतलब क्या बोलते हैं? देश के प्रति प्रेम है, इसलिए देश के लिए युद्ध कर रहा है, देश के लिए सेवा कर रहा है. Right ना? So love means also service. Boy and girl है, they say no, I love you. बट आके कुछ खाना पीना कुछ खिलाते नहीं, दो तमाचा में चलो आप आपके रास्ते में अपने रास्ते, ऐसा हो जाता है ना. So that's the point. So love means service. So anywhere if you want to learn, then we must have that devotion.
You should have the devotion aspect. So that here Krishna is talking about Bhagavad Gita. But if you want to do for any field, the devotion for that field is very, very important. Devotion for that particular field. Without that, it will not work at all. It will not work. होगा ही नहीं. डिवोशन मीन्स उसके लिए प्रेम है और उसके लिए आप कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहते हैं हमेशा. डिवोशन, देशभक्ति मतलब क्या है? समझ गए ना? सिंपल, मतलब सादी भाषा में कि देशभक्ति मतलब देश प्रेम, उसके लिए कुछ भी मैं करूंगा. Intelligently, not foolishly. That intelligently we should do something. Okay. So, but even if you want to, so this is for real knowledge. But even if you want to do for any field, it's very, very important. Devotion is very, very important. And there should be some relationship with that knowledge. Why you are doing that? Here, Krishna and Arjuna, the relationship is friendship. So you have really certain relationship with that particular field. What kind of, why you are doing that, for what you are doing that. Object should be very, very clear. That's very, very important. Okay. So, anyway, we'll not go in details of this one. Okay. So then Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 4.34, तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन प्रणिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानम ज्ञानिनस्तत्वदर्शिना. So this is another quality. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. So I don't know whether you had gone through the importance of Guru. I don't know whether all of you had gone through that topic. But we require Guru in every field. Isn't it? अरे हमें अभी बॉम्बे में बैठे बैठे कौन सा कहाँ जाना है, चलो एलिफेंटा जाना है, तब भी गुरु चाहिए. तो जब आध्यात्म की बात आती है तो गुरु क्यों नहीं चाहिए? सारे फील्ड में मुझे याद है हम सॉलिड स्टेट डिवाइस कितने सारे सब्जेक्ट पढ़ते थे, आके बताते थे हमें सारा, बट आज तक बताया नहीं. अरे सिलिकॉन कैसा है दिखाओ, अंदर कैसे काम करता है, आज तक नहीं पूछा, बस थियरी बताया या तो उसका एनिमेशन दिखाया. आज तक हमने बताया नहीं ट्रांजिस्टर काम कैसे करता है, कितना स्पेकुलेट किया, बट थियरी सब समझा देंगे, ऐसे एम्प्लीफिकेशन होता है, सब बताते हैं और काम भी करता है वो. बट वी हैव हर्ड एंड इम्प्लीमेंट, इट विल वर्क. सो ओनली पॉइंट इज दैट वी हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट. अभी गुलाब जामुन का टेस्ट कब आएगा? क्या थियोरेटिकली एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तब आएगा क्या, या जब लेके मुंह में रखोगे तब आएगा? अभी मुंह में रख के 1 मिनट भी होल्ड नहीं कर पाओगे. कभी देखा है गुलाब जामुन मुंह में रखा और 1 मिनट होल्ड करके रखा? किसी ने किया है ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट? या रसमलाई और जो भी फेवरेट आइटम है किसी ने किया? नहीं, खा के और माँ चाहिए, राइट? और ओवर ईटिंग करोगे तो गए. सो बेसिकली, सो दैट्स व्हाट भगवद गीता सेज, तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानम ज्ञानिनस्तत्वदर्शिना. So just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Inquire from him submissively. So inquiry should be submissive. No challenge. You can humbly have to ask. मुझे तो याद है, मुझे जितने भी स्टूडेंट चैलेंज करते थे, मतलब ठीक है नहीं बताना, आप पढ़ लो. अभी इतना विश्वास नहीं तो मैं करूँ क्या, बोला गया है, अभी इतना तो भरोसा रखना चाहिए ना, राइट ना? तो submissiveness is very, very important. Some people question because they want to challenge you. I remember, once upon a time I went, when I was offering my voluntary seva, of teaching Bhagavad Gita in IIT Bombay, and I approached one student. Well, I'm IIT alumni. I'm teaching Bhagavad Gita as my service to all of you. Would you like to learn Bhagavad Gita? Then this guy says, yes, I'm very much interested. I बोला, what's the reason? What is the reason behind so much interest? So he says, I'm an atheist and I want to become great atheist after learning Bhagavad Gita. तो फिर मैंने सोचा मेरे पास इतना समय है क्या? बोला आई थिंक मेरे पास इतना समय नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, तो उसके साथ बाद में डील करेंगे. तो उसको पोस्टपोन कर दिया, नहीं किया डील, बाद में कभी आया नहीं. सो इफ यू अप्रोच विद दैट मेंटालिटी, चैलेंजिंग मेंटालिटी, नो वन विल डू दैट. यू डू विथ योर मदर्स, पता लग जाएगा. और इफ समवन इज मैरिड, डू विथ हस्बैंड और वाइफ, पता लग जाएगा चैलेंज। वहाँ पे कोई लॉजिक नहीं काम करता है, कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं काम करता है, ठीक है। मैं भी मेरी मम्मी के माँ के सामने आर्ग्यूमेंट करता हूँ, बोला ठीक है देखिए आपका जो आर्ग्यूमेंट करना है करो, मैं सुनने वाली नहीं, अभी मैं क्या करूँ, ठीक है माँ बोलो क्या करना है। So that's the point. So somewhere, sometime, because of our limited senses, imperfect senses, we cannot understand the truth in wider way. We cannot understand. You might have gone through that. Imperfect senses, right? Knowledge beyond the this material conception, beyond your sense perception. So नहीं समझ में आता है, तो कुछ चीज़ों में सबमिसिव होके एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है. So that's very very important. Okay, I'll take 5 more minutes and then finish. Then we have to offer service. If you don't offer service, actually you cannot learn. That's very very important. I remember there was one very famous cook. There is very very famous shop where they cook so nice son papdi. Okay. गिरिराज मिष्टान भंडार गोवर्धन में जाना, कभी यात्रा में जाओगे ना तब वहाँ की सोन पापड़ी बहुत फेमस है. तो हमारे भक्तों को भी वो सोन पापड़ी सीखना था कैसे बनाते हैं. बोला ऐसा ही टेस्ट चाहिए, ऐसे ही लेयर, मतलब एक एक लेयर लेके खाते हैं. लेयर निकलता है, लोगों को खाने का भी तरीका होता है ना. तो लेयर वाला चाहिए. तो वंस वन पर्सन वाज सेंट, बोला हाँ मुझे सोन पापड़ी सीखना है, कैसे सीखूं बताइए. बोला ऐसे बनाना ऐसा बनाना. आगे 1 महीने में तो कभी सोन पापड़ी नहीं बना पाए, ऐसा टेस्ट ही नहीं आया. सीख तो गए, टेस्ट नहीं आया. उसका फ्लेवर नहीं आया. तो व्हाट शुड बी डन? सो देन दे थॉट लेट्स सेंड अनदर पर्सन. सो ही वेंट देयर. तो ही एंगेज इन मिनियल सर्विस. पहले गया, पहले पूरा किचन साफ करता था वो. किचन साफ किया उसने 15 दिन 20 दिन. तो उसको पता लग गया दिस गाय इज वेरी वेरी सिंसियर, लेट्स प्रमोट हिम. सो ही वाज प्रमोटेड टू कटिंग वेजिटेबल्स. बिस्किट का दुकान था कि वहाँ समोसा भी था, इसलिए वेजिटेबल भी कटवाते थे. ठीक है. अभी तो वेजिटेबल जब ऐसा हुआ तो उसने वेजिटेबल काटा, ये काटा वो काटा. बोला वेरी सिंसियर, इज वेरी ओबीडियंट, वी शुड प्रमोट हिम. तो उन्होंने अभी धीरे धीरे बोला क्या करें. बोला आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, पूछ लिया. भी क्या होता है, इनका एक इंक्लिनेशन देखते हैं. इज ए वेरी गुड सर्विस एटीट्यूड. सो व्हेन वी सी वी आस्क व्हाट इज योर इंक्लिनेशन, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू डू. बोला आई वुड लाइक टू हेल्प यू इन मेकिंग सोन पापड़ी. So they thought so ना बोला ठीक है. तो पहले आटा निकालो, आटा निकलवाते हैं, फिर आटा बनवाना सिखाया कैसे बनाना है. फिर जो भी प्रोसेस थी सारी प्रोसेस सिखा दी. Nowadays is good, they make really nice सोन पापड़ी. मुझे भी खाने का मन करता है. ठीक है. So that's the art. So the knowledge will automatically reveal to you when you please someone. अगर आप मेरे ऊपर जबरदस्ती आके छीनने की कोशिश करोगे, पहला चीज मैं करूंगा छुपाने का. बताने की बात छोड़िए, छुपाने का काम करूंगा. मतलब जो दे रहा हूं वो भी नहीं दूंगा मैं. That's the point, right? So that's why it is submissive. Means we have to humbly inquire. आप प्रोफेसर को चैलेंज करके दिखाना. अगर गए हो चैलेंज नहीं कर सकते. Okay, and we have offer service. Then only the one who is expert, they will reveal you that knowledge secret. That's why what's the जासूसों का काम क्या होता है. इसीलिए वो इंफॉर्मेशन निकालते तो पहले बहुत ही अच्छा रिलेशन बनाते हैं, एकदम मिनियल सेवा भी कर लेंगे और उसके बाद अपने आप, और वो ऐसी सेवा करेंगे कि वॉर रूम में ही पहुंच जाएंगे. वहां से सारी इंफॉर्मेशन निकालेंगे. ऐसा होता है. So they are very dedicated. So that's why even in those fields it's very very important. Submissive and service. Okay. So that's the and in Bhagavad Gita Krishna says 13th chapter 8 to 12th verse. In this chapter Krishna was asked Prakritim Purusam Cheva. What is Prakriti? What is Purusa? What is Setram Setragnam Evacha? What is Setra? What is Setrakya? What is the field? What is the object of knowledge of field? Okay, what is Jnana and what is Gneyam? What is the object of knowledge? So that is Gneyam. So in answer to those questions, Krishna says the knowledge is, what is the real knowledge? I already told, MSC, matter, spirit and controller of both, is a God. Controller of both means God. So to acquire any knowledge or real knowledge, we must have these qualities. So what are those? Amanitvam adambitvam, ahimsa santirarjavam, acharya upasanam swacham, Sthairyam atma vinigraham. Amanitvam, humility. Dambitvam, adambitvam, pridelessness. Ahimsa, means we should not be so violent. Humility is very, very important. So it's like humility and non-violence, it's opposite to each other. Similar, but mentioned in opposite way, described in opposite way. You should be humble. I say you should remember Krishna, you should not forget Krishna. Both are same, but still both are different. Okay, so it's achintya, inconceivable. So tolerance, सहना तो पड़ता ही है ना प्रोफेसर को भी. कितने लोग सहे, मैं तो सहा हूँ. और मुझे मीन्स यू विल गेट इफ यू आपको असाइनमेंट देगा. मुझे याद है बिफोर आई केम टू IIT बॉम्बे, आई वॉज लेक्चरर. अभी मुझे आई हैव नेवर प्लान आई विल अपीयर इन द गेट एंड ऑल दोज थिंग आई विल डू. सो बोला, लेकिन सीखने का एक एटीट्यूड था. सो मैंने बोला करे क्या अभी. तो सारे जितने भी स्टूडेंट थे उनको असाइनमेंट दे दिया. उसमें फेमस बुक थी ओगाटा कंट्रोल सिस्टम. आई डोंट नो, बट टफेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. करे क्या, अभी बैठ के सॉल्व करने का तो समय है नहीं. तो मैंने क्या किया, सारे स्टूडेंट को दे दिया, आप ये करो, आप ये करो, ये करो. और मुझे पता था वो लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड ऑफ द डे मेरे पास आएंगे तो मुझे क्या बोलते हैं, अपनी इज्जत बचाने के लिए सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. So just to keep my reputation as a lecturer, I have to solve those. And then I learned. So what happened? That you may get, so that's why it's very, very important, having a tolerance. You have to tolerate. You have to go through those process, doing assignment and all those things, but you will learn. So I'm telling those subject matter, but you try to correlate with particular field. That's what I'm telling. Acharya Upasanam approach to Guru and a spiritual master. So basically real knowledge is difference between matter, spirit and controller of both. Swacham, so we must have cleanliness. Sthairyam, steadiness is very, very important. कितने लोग मानते हैं steadiness is very, very important? बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, समझ में आता ही है. If I don't devote myself for that particular activity for certain amount of time, you will not be able to learn. Self control is very, very important. कितने को लगता है? बस लगता है ना, self control is very, very important. So this is a process of acquiring knowledge. बोलते हैं इंद्रिया अर्थेषु वैराग्यम अहंकारम एवच. This is renunciation of the object of sense gratification. मार्शमेलो बता दिया मैंने, समझ गए? We should not be so much hankering for sense gratification. If we are behind that, we will not get real knowledge. Then that's janma mrityu jara vyadhi. So that is real knowledge in terms of that. बोलते हैं आसक्तिर अभिस्वंगा पुत्र द्वारा गृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम इष्टान अनिष्टो उपपत्तिषु. तो so many things are mentioned. We should be detached. That detachment is very, very important. So from sense gratification and so many things, okay, enjoyment tendency and all those things, even-mindedness, pleasant and unpleasant, it's very, very important. We should be even-mindedness, okay. Constant and unalloyed devotion, Krishna is telling to him. For any field, it's very, very important, okay. So these are certain qualities. So we must have to, the process of knowledge is like, so this is the process of knowledge, acquiring knowledge. And when you acquire knowledge, we have been taught when I was in the school, you become Vinaya, विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्रह्मणि कवि हस्तिनि सुनिचेव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शिना. So no, we have met many businessmen. They are really humble actually. Those who are really gentle, genuine, no? They appreciate other businessmen. If he is $8 million, he will appreciate $40 billion. Sorry, $8 billion will appreciate $40 billion. And they ask humbly कैसे करना है, उसको भी बताते हैं. But someone come challenge. I remember I have seen those incidents. एक ने challenge कर दिया, उसको एक पैसा नहीं दूंगा, बात भी नहीं करूँगा. So that's why the certain quality is very very important to learn, acquiring knowledge, and advance in our life. So that's what Krishna says. All this I declare to be knowledge, means it's the process of knowledge, and beside this, whatever there may be is ignorance. If you don't have all those things, you cannot acquire knowledge. So that's why earlier the student used to send in Gurukula, so they can be free from all this anxiety. क्या हो रहा है, घर में क्या हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. They can be free from all those things, and they can focus. Okay, so that's different thing anyway. So there, this quality has to be learned. Earlier, the Gurukula children used to send for menial services, so that develop humility. अभी तो मुझे याद है हम लोग स्कूल में तो हमसे झाड़ू भी मरवाते थे स्कूल में. अभी दिखा कि स्कूल में हो नहीं सकता. अभी क्या बोलते हैं, चाइल्ड एब्यूज पे वो लग जाएगा, लेबर और समथिंग. हाँ, हम गार्लैंड बनाते थे, बट दे यूज्ड टू डेवलप दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ सर्विस. There are so many things. Anyway, so we have short time, we cannot discuss everything. So sorry I took 5 minutes more. This clock is 5 minutes ahead. So I completed 7:20. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Any question, any comment, any feedback? I can take few questions because I have another class after this. Okay, so yes.
Can you explain about the parampara system, how that pillar works?
Actually, means I'm right now. First, I take the questions what we discussed from today. Then I will take that question. Yeah. Yes.
Apart from all these qualities, which quality do you think one quality is the most important of all?
Non-enviousness.
Non-enviousness.
That's very very important actually. If you have that thing, and devotion is most important. Devotion and non-enviousness should simultaneously be together actually. So, but if you have devotion for that thing, you definitely will get that. Okay. Yes. So answering your question, so parampara.
Yeah, the parampara pillar.
So what do you want to know exactly? About that.
So in parampara, the knowledge is getting diluted. The knowledge is getting diluted in an allowed way,
Mhm.
a permitted way.
Mm-hmm.
So how can the people around who are not part of the parampara system know that this dilution is allowed and the other dilutions are not allowed? Is there something to
Can you give some example like?
say for example in the parampara system you have acharya, you have
Hmm.
shishya and so on, right?
Hmm.
So these people can dilute
Hmm.
because the old
Okay. They can, add some flavor to explain. That's what you are saying, right? Okay. So just now to explain similar thing, I gave many example, but I kept the principle intact. मैंने बोल दिया, real knowledge means the difference between matter, spirit and controller of both. But still you can implement this thing in any field of your knowledge. That was very clear. So I'm not utilizing for all those things. That's very clear. So just to explain, I can take certain example. Okay, just like submissiveness. तो अभी ये तो मैंने बोला नहीं, अपनी मम्मी के पास जाइए, हस्बैंड वाइफ के पास जाइए, आर्गुमेंट काम नहीं करता. तो कुछ चीज़ें सुननी पड़ती है, राइट ना. सो दैट challenge will not work there. Challenge will come, certain problem will create. So the principle is intact. Submissiveness and tolerance is there. We have not changed those things, but we might use different example. So that way you can do, to explain, but principle we are not changing. Okay, just like okay, rather than earlier we used to they used to hear Bhagavad Gita, that's Vedic knowledge
No, then later on they used to writing on the paper that, what should I say, that on pamphlet whatever you, and then later on in a due course of time everything is digitized. Okay, so to explain like certain thing they may use different example to animation also, but principle they have kept intact. That's okay, I think. Yeah.
Devotion, how to practice devotion in the material life? Means devotion, self-control, you have explained.
Actually, to be honest, I'll give one example. You hear this speech by Daniel Goleman. Okay. Sorry, I'm going out of the topic. So, Daniel Goleman, he is a psychiatrist. And he was appointed by Google. You have time? 2-3 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. He was appointed by Google. And Google was worrying. You can sit down. We are hiring, we are top company, we are hiring the toppers from the top university of the top country. Toppers from the top university of the top country. Still they are not giving performance. What's the reason? What should they do? What is the reason? So he was specially appointed. He was psychiatrist or psychologist or whatever you can say. I could not remember his. You can search Daniel Goleman at Google. He gave a speech. So after giving a speech, in his speech he gave few things. One is IQ, one is EQ. He came to discuss on those topics, IQ and EQ. So he says, no, in selection process we simply focus on IQ. But after selection, when you have to survive, you have to focus on EQ. Interpersonal relationship, emotional quotient means how you deal with the people. So earlier the thing was that most of the people have been selected based on IQ. But if you go through army, they do your psychological test. आपको एक ब्यूटी वर्ड देगा, आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है 10 या 15 सेकंड में. I don't know someone has appeared in the SSB interview or not, and you don't have time to think. जो मन में आएगा लिखना है. So someone is so fond of movie, he write Aishwarya is so beautiful. If someone is beauty, right? Krishna is so beautiful. Psychology बाहर आ गई. अब क्या सोचते हैं दिमाग में आ गया, ठीक है? So that's why they took EQ test, or you can say psychological test, whatever. They give you different position. आ रहा है ऐसा होगा. आप यूथ पे जा रहे हैं, बीच में एक लेडी खड़ी है, डिफिकल्ट में, तो यूथ के लिए अर्जेंसी है, लेडी को हेल्प करोगे, यूथ पे जाओगे, ऐसा क्वेश्चन करेंगे वो लोग, ठीक है? सो आपका साइकोलॉजी पूरी बाहर आ जाएगी, आपका एटीट्यूड भी बाहर आ जाएगा. आपको एक धुंधला सा पिक्चर दिखाते हैं. मुझे याद है मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, मैंने लगा अरे मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मुझे निकाल दिया. 5 बार रिपेयर हुआ था, 2 बार निकाल दिए थे, ऐसे सामने बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? तो निकाल दिया था. क्यों? मैंने बोला मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया. मुझे लिखना नहीं था एक्सीडेंट हुआ, मैं बचाया उसको, ऐसा लिखना था मुझे. मैंने लिख दिया मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया. यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहा था, बस के ऊपर पूरा पेड़ गिर गया. ऐसा हुआ था. नो, रियलिटी, इट वाज 10-15 years back. So then they figure out emotional quotient is very, very important. उनको बोलिए आई विल ज्वाइन क्लास इन सम टाइम. हाँ, मैं क्लास ज्वाइन करता हूँ बोले. So what happened that so they said, oh, so this is the problem. So you have very high IQ but variation in EQ. So that's the problem. So then the question come. So he said, for interview, it's IQ is not only important factor in life that will help you to get through, but to sustain, EQ is very, very important. Okay. So then he said, then he defined emotional intelligence. So now he says emotional intelligence should be very high. So how can we increase emotional intelligence? So then he says, practice meditation. And I think that have been taught us from Krishna says, एवं व्यस्वते योगम प्रोक्तावान हम अव्ययम व्यस्वन मनुवे प्रावर मनुरिस्वाकु ब्रवीत एवं परंपरा प्राप्त इमं राजर्षय विदु सहकालेन महत योगो नष्ट परंतप. So that was the so people were tolerant and so many things were there. Nowadays people are short-tempered. That's the problem. So hope I answered your question.
How do we come to know that we have approached spiritual mastery?
like in any field. So when you are approaching spiritual master, at least you have preliminary knowledge. You will come to know through someone, right? Yes, I have. So when you want to take admission in, let's say, any institute, first of all you inquire how is that person and all. But in spiritual term, Krishna will definitely send you. Okay, by seeing your sincere desire, that is there. आपको कहीं ना कहीं करके ला देंगे वो. But in this field also you approach, and he give you right direction. But you should have those quality of submissive and service attitude. Then only he will impart you. Otherwise not. होगा ही नहीं. अगर if I am very highly skilled person and I have very person whom I can trust, so I'll give the priority whom I can trust, because skill I can purchase, faith I cannot purchase. So that's why they see how much trust I should put on you, that I can understand by your submissiveness and service. And then you inquire. So you will understand that yes, he is guiding you properly without enviousness. So he has also certain quality of that particular field. Okay? Yes.
How do we develop non-enviousness?
So basically, for all those things, okay, so that's what point I was talking. You know, this thing will come when we practice devotion actually. Even in spirituality. Without spirituality, it's not possible. So I forgot that Ministry of India regarding some youth, they said if you really want to develop those character, spirituality is very, very important point. So when we practice spirituality, that will remove anartha. That's what it is. Cheto darpanam arjanam, bhamaha davagni nirvapanam, Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitranam Vidyavadur Jivanam. So when you practice this spirituality, it will remove those unwanted things from your heart. So it's a very simple solution. Even if you go through any religion that talks about these things, that we should be envious, so that comes by service attitude. And so both. If you have enviousness, you will not be able to do service. But when you start serving, चलो कर देते हैं, then automatically you develop that attachment also. It's a cycle. So as I said, these are the process of acquiring knowledge. But when you acquire knowledge, you will exhibit this quality in magnificent way, in more louder way. So basically, at least somewhere, it's our desire. Certain way it will be there. But somewhere, at least, okay, we have enviousness, but we should regret that I have enviousness. So that quality is very, very important. Okay, I should not have that attitude. I should remove that. So that comes, there are so many factors, ABCD, all of you have been taught, association. In field, association is important. B means book reading or whatever. So you develop those qualities that, we are not meant for all those things, acquiring knowledge. Okay, so I think I'll end here. I have another class. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.